In this video, we're going to be installing this tailgate damper kit on the driver's side rear of the tailgate, and this is for a 2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We're going to take this bolt, and this is a nut cert tool. We want to adjust the nut so that it's 3/4 of an inch from the head of the bolt. So just take a tape measure, and we want it about there, so move the nut down. So that looks like that. Now on the side here, we're going to insert the rivet in here. Take a 10mm ratchet wrench, go over the nut, and then we're going to hold the bolt from spinning using a 5mm socket, Hex Socket. And we'll tighten this down. All right, now that's tight. We can loosen this up. And take the tool off. Just like that. Then we're going to take a little thread lock adhesive on the bolt. Just run a small bead right there, that looks good. And take this bracket, slide that in position there. Take the bolt, get that started. And using a 4mm hex socket, we're going to tighten this down. And snug that down. Now we're going to take this cable off, just slide the tailgate up a little bit, slide that clip out, and then slide the cable off. Take this bolt out, use a 13mm socket. Take that out. This bracket is going to go right here. Take that same bolt, get that started. And we'll tighten that down. Now we're going to take the strut, we'll line this up, just push it on the ball. You can slide this down, attach it on the other one. Just push it down. Then take the cable, line the cable up, and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.